Hello everyone, welcome to my channel by Science Guy. Today the topic is linkage, its introduction, types and differences between complete and incomplete linkage. Introduction of linkage. Gene is the basic unit of heredity. Each chromosome bears many genes. Linkage can be defined as the process of permanent association of genes which are located on the same chromosome and they are tend to be inherited in the successive generation in the same position and proportion without any separation. The genes which are located in the same chromosome and they tend to be inherited together called linkage group. The number of linkage group in a species is equivalent to its haploid number of chromosomes because two homologous chromosomes possesses either similar gene. Example, Drosophila melanogaster, which has four linkage group. It means it consists four pairs of chromosome. Maize has 10 linkage group. It means 10 pairs of chromosome present in maize. Human being have 23 linkage group. It means there are 23 pairs of chromosome present in human beings. Map unit is used to measure the distance between the linked genes which are present in a chromosome. Map unit is also called morganoid or centimorgan. There is no crossing over between the linked gene of distance less than 50 map unit. But the distance between the linked gene is 50 map unit or more than 50 map unit, which is responsible for the formation of parental as well as non-parental characters due to chances of crossing over. Types of linkage. Linkage is of two types, complete linkage and incomplete linkage. Complete linkage is the phenomenon in which the genes which are located in the same chromosome and they do not separate and inherited together in many generations due to absence of crossing over. It gives only the parental character but not any non-parental characters. But it is very rare type. The example of complete linkage or cross between Drosophila with gray body normal wings and with black body and vestigial wings. They produce F1 generation having gray body and normal wings. The F1 hybrids are crossed with recessive homozygous parent to produce two types of offspring in equal proportion in F2 generation. Gray body character is inherited together with normal wings and black body character is inherited with vestigial wings. Incomplete linkage. It is the phenomenon in which the genes are located in the same chromosome and they have a tendency to separate due to crossing over. It forms parental as well as non-parental character. The gene that shows incomplete linkage are called incomplete linked gene. It can be explained on maize plant as below. In maize, when the colored whole seed maize plant is crossed with colorless shrunken seed, they produce F1 hybrid with colorful seed. But in the test cross, there are four types of plants are obtained in F2 generation, like as colored whole, colored shrunken, colorless whole, and colorless shrunken. Differences between complete linkage and incomplete linkage. In complete linkage, there is formation only parental characters in successive generation. In incomplete linkage, it forms parental as well as non-parental characters in successive generation. In complete linkage, the distance between the linked gene is less than 50 map unit. In incomplete linkage, the distance between the incomplete linked gene is 50 map unit or more than 50 map unit. In complete linkage, crossing over doesn't occur in F1 hybrid, but in incomplete linkage, crossing over occurs in F1 hybrid. In complete linkage, only the parental gametes are formed by hybrid. In incomplete linkage, both the parental as well as non-parental gametes are formed by hybrid. In complete linkage, it has no any role in evolution of life, but in incomplete linkage, it is important role in evolution in life. In complete linkage, it can preserve the parental character in successive generation, but in incomplete linkage, it cannot preserve the parental character absolutely in successive generation. Importance of linkage. Linkage help us to understand the genes which are located on the same chromosome are inherited together. Linkage also helpful in the gene mapping. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to my channel Bioscience Guide to stay updated with more biology content. Thank you for watching.